How to get $100 Lyft promo code. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Lyft promo code up to $100. Now, let us begin. First, open up your web browser. Any web browser is fine. After you open it up, search for Lyft promo code. After you search for Lyft promo code, you will need to just go to any of these websites. You can visit any of these and yeah, they will have the promo code. The one I use the most is coupon follow, so just open it up. Now after you're there, you can scroll down and you can check up to 50% off, 60% off. You can save up to $1,000. That is, you can get almost $1,000 bonus. And yeah, you can use these promo codes. Now let us try this 50% off. Now if you're you are buying something, you are using something of $200 and you use this code, you'll get up to $100 off. You can simply copy this and tap on redeem at Lyft and you'll be redirected to lyft.com. So right here you can scroll down and you can just use this promo code to get up to 50% off. And this 50% off is not limited to just $100. If your service money is about $500, $400, $300, it will get reduced to its half. Yeah, so that is how you get the promo code for Lyft. And that is all for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.